Today, we're going to show you how to solve the screen flickering issue. So now, we have a dark background, in this case a black. Now, once we switch over to a light background, you'll see that it slowly becomes brighter. Hopefully, the camera can pick it up. Now, I will switch back again to the dark background or black. And you will see that the white is not as white. So again, and one more time. Okay, last time. Now to solve this issue, we need to boot into BIOS. So just press F2. Then go to the display option here. Then under display, you will see this EcoPower. So it tells here it's EcoPower will decrease or increase the brightness accordingly. So we turn that to off. By default, it's on. So let's click off, apply. Then just click OK and exit. Now the system will reboot. Now let's perform the same test. Now the BIOS has been changed. So let's switch to a lighter background. Then again, let's switch to a darker background. So as you can see, it's better. And actually the camera is not refocusing, meaning the brightness level has been more consistent. So again, and one more time. So hopefully this helps anyone with issues regarding screen flickering on their Dell laptops. Thank you.